For the first time in what feels like ages, I am doing a soap challenge. Last winter was crazy, like the holiday season, and I just had no time. And then with surgery this winter in February and everything I was trying to get done between before the surgery and then after the surgery, after my time off, because I had to take 6 weeks off, I just haven't had time to do any challenges. So this month, Amy is our guest teacher, and we are doing riverbed challenge, where basically we have to create a 3-layered soap. One layer has to have some type of speckled embed, shredded soap or whatnot. At least one layer, I should say. And then at least one layer has to have a swirl. The goal is to kind of create like a riverbed feel. I have 2 different ideas planned. So both of my outside layers are going to have the soap embeds, and I don't know if you can see, grated these up really finely. I'm working on the black, so I shredded a bunch of white and black soap dough. I've let it out to dry, and now I'm just putting it in my little coffee grinder and grinding it up. So tiny, like super fine. The plan, so the first soap I'm going to do white and white with white speckles, or I'm going to do this, I don't know if you can tell, it's like a shimmery off-white. I'm still debating. I also really, because these are super fine, I kind of want to coat them. I'm going to be using this. The first one's going to be a series of different blues. And I kind of want to coat these. I'm not sure yet. The second one is going to be black on black, and I will probably coat these in like a white sparkle. And then I'm going to do neons on the inside portion, because I've been slightly obsessed with neons lately, and I thought this would be fun to do, a fun design to do with neons. So anyways, that's the plan. So I'm just prepping my oh my gosh, words are eluding me today. They're not embeds, but my confetti, my soap shreds, whatever we want to call it. Anyways. Okay, so that is ready. don't know if you can tell, you can kind of see there's the white do feel like there's a distinction already. So I'm hoping that the speckle shredded soap, the white soap, will stand out against this. I did lightly coat it in teal, but I feel like when I was mixing it in, because I stick blended it and it was chopping up the really already finely chopped shreds even more, that it kind of lost its coating. So let's see. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, look, so I did be pouring it from short to short side versus long side. Gave me those vertical river, I should say. Like I like that. I love the colors. Those different shades of teal. Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. I like it. So the teal covered shreds definitely did not stick, but it's light, but there is a definite distinction between the two whites. And it does have those shreds in it. I like it. I'll take it. The blues are really pretty to me. I love this teal color. I love the darker version of the teal too. Oh, I think that's quite stunning. I will take it. I am happy. I have an entry for the first time in, I think 8 months. I am entering a soap into the challenge club. I like it. Let me know what you think. few minor air gaps, but that's okay. I think the inside will be fine. Look at those neons! Oh my gosh, isn't that so pretty? Yeah, so I did black shreds in a black base, but there wasn't enough distinction between the two, and so I'm pretty sure the black shreds are not going to stand out in this. And then I coated them in, I don't know if you, like I showed you the, in a gold mica. And when I put them into the batter, that gold mica just came off, and it's in here, like there's sparkle in here, but I don't think it's stuck to the actual shreds. So let's cut this and see if we can even tell if there are shreds. I didn't really plan on this one being my entry soap, so I'm not overly worried. More, I just really wanted to play with black and micas, or I should say neons. So okay. Can you kind of see the little, it almost has a speckled look? Like those are the actual, those are the shredded soap. It is there, like, I don't know if you can see, if I can give it at the right light, but I can see them. Like it gives this soap a texture. It's cool. I love the neon. Ah. Okay. And then there's gold sparkle, which I don't think shows up on the video, but oh my gosh, when you move this back and forth, the gold sparkles through. Now, when I poured this soap, I just poured back and forth alongside, which I knew would not give me, it would give me this versus long. The other loaf I poured it back and forth the short side, so I should have more kind of long river-like strokes in that one. I did not want that in this loaf. I actually wanted this wild craziness, which I have to say I adore. It's just super fun and cool.